Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove emoji from your photo using object eraser feature in Samsung Galaxy phone with Android 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, if we want to remove emoji from our photo, we have to open our gallery application where the object eraser is in. And I'm going to open my gallery application and then choose a photo you want to remove emoji from. I'm just going to choose photo from this download folder and I'm going to remove emoji from this photo. And we can click on this edit icon or this pencil icon and just select the object eraser, this one, click on it and then you can choose object eraser. Okay, and just wait for a moment guys. And here you can read the instruction, tap or draw around anything you want to erase. And I'm just going to tap on the emoji. Okay, and we can click on erase and just hold on until the erasing process has completed. Okay, and as you can see guys, now the emoji has been removed from my video and then we can click on done. And after that, you can click on save to save the result or the photo to your gallery. Alright guys, then that's all the way to remove emoji from photo using object eraser feature in Samsung Galaxy phone with Android 14. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.